If you want your wig to look like this, stick to the end. A nice 7-minute video on how to put on a wig. Real simple for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. It's your girl Shama. I brought back another wig video for you guys. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Let's get right into the video. First, I'll be prepping my wig. If you're putting on a wig by yourself, it is better to flat iron and curl it however you want before you put it on. Now, I'll be putting my wig cap on. It is real simple. I think everybody knows how to put on a wig cap, but if you don't know how to put it on, leave a comment so I can make a video for you guys. It's a really simple step, so I wasn't taking too long with this step. I just add the glue, and now I wait. Always make sure it's dry before you cut it so it doesn't lift up. So now this is the way you cut it. This is the way I cut it. If you have any other way, it doesn't really matter because the wig cap is to keep your hair safe. So if you have an easier way of you cutting it, you don't really have to do too much with the wig cap. It's just to keep your edges safe so you don't lose your edges. Okay, guys? This is me cutting it. And then I am going in with the foundation. I use Ruby. This is the best foundation. Now just apply it to the tip of the wig cap. After that, I am applying some alcohol to the edge of my head, not on the wig cap, add it to your head to remove any foundation. So now I'm adding the glue. You want to add it 3 or 4 times because if you don't add it 3 or 4 times, it won't stick well. And when you're adding it, make sure it's all dried up. If it's too sticky, the wig will not stick and it will look horrible. That causes the wig to look white. So make sure it is all dry, but not too dry, so it can have that neat look with the lace and it can stick really well. I am using a used wig, so if you have a used wig, this video is right for you. Now I'm just applying more glue. You always start from the back to the front when it comes to the wig, so you can put it on better. Now you just glue the hair back on. Do it slowly. Don't try to rush the process. Make sure it's on the right spot of the head so it doesn't look weird, so you can have the right spot for the edges. And make sure it's sticking really well. Make sure the glue is dried up. Now you just use a comb to comb the hair back. But if that's not working for you, I'm going to show you a way to get the hair all the way back because I know for me it used to be hard. So I am going in with my glue stick, then I go in my hot comb. Now I try a hot spray on the edges. I apply it so it can stick down. I wait for a little bit for it to dry so it doesn't be too sticky. Then after that, I will be using a band to hold it down. It only needs 5 to 6 minutes to stay on it. You don't really need to keep the band for that long because the glue is doing all the work. Now I'm able to pull most of the hair back that I wasn't able to pull back because I have the band in the front. Then apply more spray, and then use the hot comb to push the hair back. Now it's time to remove it, and voila, look at that. For the little bit of hair left, I'm just combing it back now softly. Don't go too hard so it don't lift. Now I go in with more foundation so it can blend better. Don't be scared to add foundation twice. Now we are going to work on the edges. So the thing with edges with wigs, it is almost the same as real edges. It's just the cutting and making sure that you don't remove too much hair or too little hair. Okay, now use the spray to put it back so it can be easier. Now I'm using to hold the hair. Now look at the way that I cut it. I cut it diagonal. You don't want to cut it too straight, so that diagonal look, it will help it look better, okay? After I cut it, now I'm going to use a iron to flat it out so the edges can look better. Now, when it comes to laying the edges, this is the key. Most people use hard gel, but you want to use mousse, because with mousse, you can apply it 100 times and it won't stick. It won't look white. So stop using the hard edges and switch to mousse. It is way better. You can wake up the next morning and fix your edges. Okay, guys? That is the tea. I used to use them hard edges. My edges would look white in the morning. Okay? But mousse is the key. Unless you are a professional, you want to keep the styler in, so they use a different type of gel. But if you're doing it at home and you want to keep switching up the edges, then use mousse. Or you want to keep doing your edges, mousse is the key. And this is the final look, guys. Real simple, real easy. It took me years to get this good, and we will get better. But this is really simple, really easy. Just keep practicing. All it takes is practice, not knowledge, not if you're good at it. It takes practice, okay, guys? And this is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching to the end. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more. Bye.